Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning Quick Cast on. This removes the extra click and sends the ability instantly, saving milliseconds. Open Settings, Hotkeys, Abilities and Items, then toggle Quick Cast or Quick Cast on key release depending on whether you need aim correction. Next, remap spells to keys you hit without looking, for example mouse 4 or side keys. This reduces travel time. Once done, enable Cast Range and Cast Point display so you can see where spells land and how long they take, making fast decisions more reliable. You now move into execution training. Start a private lobby with cheats and a hero you use most. Practice quick cast combos on a stationary target first, then switch to moving creeps to simulate real fights. If you chose quick cast on key release, tune your release timing in small increments. This gives you aim control without losing speed. Also, train hero-specific sequences, blink, instant spell, follow-up item, until your fingers perform them automatically. This builds the muscle memory that makes quick cast reliable. You finish by applying quick cast in live games, but do it progressively. Pick 1 or 2 critical spells to use with quick cast until your success rate is high, then add more. After games, review replays with HUD and hotkey overlays to see where you missed timing or misaimed. If you run into consistent miscasts, make targeted fixes. Switch between quick cast and quick cast on key release, rebind problematic keys, or reset to defaults and retrain the specific sequence. This isolates and fixes the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.